Bioestibas SAS with a project. Agglomerating Future. Hydrangea is a famous Colombian flower which is exported in large quantities. The production process, which is necessary for the export, leads to over 60,000 tons of agricultural waste every month. Most of this organic waste is burnt. The company Bioestibas found a way to use this potential and protect the Colombian environment at the same time. The no longer needed flower stems are collected without charge from the flower producers. They are then cut, dried and mixed with other ingredients. The final result is heated and pressed for the production of ecological pallets and boards. These products replace other traditional wood products. Within 3 years, more than 7,300 trees have been saved. In addition, the emission of more than 3,000 tons of carbon oxide has been prevented, a real innovation made of waste.